Hey guys, welcome to, I don't even know what day we're on vlogs, but today is our last full day and we are going to Hopi Falls. It's like kind of a local thing. It's not really like a big thing. So we found a little path. Yep, we got our great hikers right there going on down in here. My friend told us about this, so hopefully it's cool. I think there's like a rope swing and stuff, so we'll see. This is so cool. I hope we see a pig. Do you guys think we'll see a pig? You don't believe so? I think we should. I've heard one in the bushes, but I haven't actually seen one since we've been here. First falls and try to find the second one, but here's the first one. It is so pretty. We were jumping off. If my friend was here, I would totally jump off, but I'm just afraid to do it, so we'll see. I don't think my mother will let me jump off, but it's so beautiful here. Hey guys, so we just got done with our hike and we came back to the room. I think me and Mom are gonna go shopping. Dad wanted to go snorkeling a little bit more. So it's our last full day, so I thought I would go out and get Abby something, go around a couple of the little towns, maybe get something to eat. I don't know. We will see what we're gonna do. That hike was definitely worth it. We couldn't find the falls, but it turns out we walked farther than you needed to go to the first ones. So I wanted to jump off really bad, but my friend wasn't there and no one else wanted to jump off with me. So I was like, well, I guess I won't jump off. So maybe when I come back, because I know we're planning on coming back. So whenever we come back, I will definitely do that. So yeah. Hey guys, so we drove up to, where are we at? Kauai. It was a nice little drive, and we're at Pink's now. My friend told us that there's the best grilled cheese on the island here, so of course we have to come and try the best grilled cheese on the island. Right, Mom? So that's what we're doing. So we're waiting for our grilled cheese, and then we're gonna look on for some stuff that I want to buy. Here it is. Let's see if Joel was right. I bet he was. Good.
Delicious.
You haven't even tried it.
I just know it. I tried it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Haven't vlogged in a little while, so I thought I'd update you guys. I went back to the room, took a nap, got ready. Now we are going back to the Olympic. Here's my outfit. So we're going back to the Olympic because I wanted chicken tenders again, and we've kind of had everything else to eat, so might as well go back to one of my favorites. So let's go.